Welcome to CodeChef. Today we are going to learn about the enqueue and dequeue operations in a queue data structure. A queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in, first out principle, or FIFO. This means that elements are added at the rear and removed from the front. Let's perform an enqueue operation by adding the value 4 at the end of the queue. The new element 4 is added at the rear, and the tail pointer is updated to point to it. Now, let's perform a dequeue operation by removing the element at the front, which is 1. The front element 1 is removed, and the head pointer is updated to point to 2. Now, let's look at an important code snippet that performs enqueue and dequeue operations in a queue data structure. Before dequeuing, we first check if the queue is empty. If so, we display a message and return. To ensure circular behavior, the front pointer is updated using modulo arithmetic. This helps maintain continuity in a circular queue. Before enqueuing, we check if the queue is full. If it is, we display a message and stop the insertion. Similarly, while enqueuing, we update the rear pointer using modulo operation to wrap around in a circular queue. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.